Disclaimer, this is not like a in-depth tech review. This is just a beginner's first impressions, first thoughts. I'm not even gonna call it unboxing. It's just my first impressions and first thoughts of the camera. Y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kayla Monét. If you are new here, welcome. And if you're not, thank you so much for coming back and checking out my new video today. As you can tell by the title, I have finally got a new camera. And I'm so excited because I've been wanting to bring more quality content to my channel, and I thought what was best time to do that than Black Friday, invest in myself and make great content for my channel. So here we are today. I'm going to be filming an unboxing of my camera today. It is the Sony, the box is all jacked up because I already opened it, but this is the Sony ZV-1 digital camera right there. And it is actually an open box. I got it from Best Buy, but it was in an open box in excellent condition, so I did get a couple dollars off, which is great. It's brand new, just cheaper price. No complaints for me, anything to save some coins. So yeah, here's the box that came in, and I also purchased a 128 Extreme Plus SD card. Even though it's an open box package, it always comes with the normal packaging, so you get your warranty, the battery, the USB cord, and of course the camera inside. $120 Extreme Plus gigabyte, it's in the camera right now. This is great because it has extreme speeds, and also the camera does shoot in 4K. Not that I'll be shooting in 4K for my YouTube channel, but it's just good to have. And this is a great memory card to have if you're going to be shooting a lot of content for your channel, or just think in general. It's Extreme Plus, so it's a lot of space, and it's 128 gigabytes, which is really good. It came with batteries and a charger as well, the USB port. I got it from Amazon and I did research on it, but I got this. It's a wireless remote control for the camera. Right now I'm currently filming on my iPhone 11 on the front facing camera. I'll insert some footage of the footage from the ZV-1. But yeah, this is a wireless remote control from Amazon. I got it was about, I forgot how much it was, but I'm gonna put it down below. But yeah, this is great for when I want to take pictures myself, because normally I am taking pictures myself outside with the camera or anything like that. That is a great tool to have. So I wanted to get into some specs of the camera. I'll just read off the box what it says. Oh, great. For voice recording, microphone jack, which is true. It does come with a little fuzzy thing, which I was so excited about. It's so cute, right? And it also comes with a background defocus, which I really like. I know how YouTubers have like that fuzzy background. With just a press of a button, you can get that, and you can also get the beauty effect on your face. And it also has automatic focus. So like, you know, like for example, I'm gonna bring this eyeliner. Like if I bring this up, it takes a while for it to focus on my iPhone camera, but like when I use the ZV-1, when you put it up to the camera, it automatically focuses. Okay, so here's me, and it has the background to focus, and here's the quality on this. Looking nice, looking nice. And here's the autofocus or product focus. It was made specifically for vloggers, this camera, so really do like it. Okay. Now let's get into the camera. Here it is, the body, and I got black. It also comes with a viewfinder, which is something I was super excited about. Sorry, it has my fingerprints all over it. I'm gonna flip it so you guys can see as well. When I'm recording, you can see me, and I'll show you guys as well. But yeah, it's really nice. I really do like it. Wait, I was not even recording. Honestly, I'm still getting to learn the camera myself. I'm still playing around with it. I just opened it up just now on camera, as you can tell. I'm gonna get into the reason why I wanted a camera. I've always been recording on my 11, but I wanted to step up the quality for my channel personally. I was actually debating between the Sony, this camera right here, and the Canon Marks 2G. I'll put the name here, but it's a camera that a lot of YouTubers use. And also I was debating between the Sony a5000 or 6000. So it was like 3 cameras I was debating against, but this one right here, the most bang for its buck. And what really sold me was the viewfinder, how it turned. When I record on here, like when you use your back camera, it's better quality than your front camera. So I would use my back camera, and then it was just so hard filming hauls and everything because I had to keep repositioning and repositioning, and it was just a lot of work. Now I can just, it makes my life easier. And also storage was another big issue. I always had to delete, even though I bought more storage on my phone, I always had to delete a lot of things, and I would just edit on my phone. But with the camera, you don't have to worry about that. So it's a lot of great things for this camera. I'm super excited to be using it on my channel. If you have any questions, please do leave them down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because I definitely have lots of new content coming to my channel. Bye.